Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the Sufa English High School e-classes. This is the continuing of geography chapter number 3. So let's start with the new point. Three-dimensional objects have length, width and height. The product of this provides volume. Maps can be used to study the whole world or also region of limited extent. However, small or large the globe, it is only a representative model of the entire earth. Now globe is a three-dimensional. So let's see the globe. This is the globe. This is the globe. Now globe is a three-dimensional because at the same time we can see length, width and height. Also because it is a real model, it has no flat surface. It occupies the space that's why we can see the height also in that. Now this is the length. This is the length. This is wide. This is the height. This is the wide. This part is the topper. This part is the toppermost height and it is the round in shape. So it occupies the area three-dimensional, sorry. Now two-dimensional, a surface having two dimensions, length and width, is called dimensional. Example: paper, blackboard, table top, land, etc. Now if you see paper, it is a two-dimensional, the length and the width. It doesn't have height. Blackboard also, tabletop, land, etc. Now three-dimensional. An object having three-dimensional such as length, width, height or thickness is called three-dimensional. The thickness part is the height part is called the three-dimensional. Example: a duster. A duster is three-dimensional. It shows length, width plus the height. Box also, glass, pot, hill, the moon, etc. Now then go to the next paragraph. Field visit, educational trip. A field visit is an important method of studying geography. Field visits help us to understand the geographical and social conditions of a place. Moreover, it provides an opportunity to directly interact with the local people and understand their problems. Condition of the area: a platinum, post office, bus station, mall, hill, sea, coast, small scale industries, etc. Study places like these to observe and record various features. Your teacher will guide you at the time of field visit. Prepare a questionnaires with the help of your teacher and take interviews wherever it is necessary. Note down the response, make sketches or other notes. Now in this, that what they have said, a field trip is a journey by a group of people to a place away from the normal environment. The purpose of the trip is usually observation, for education, non-experimental research, or to provide the student with experience outside their everyday activity. Now such as going champion with teachers and their classmates. The advantage of the field trip is that it connects the student to the real world. It offers different cultural experience and create a social bond. It is also help students to understand the geographical condition of the place. Now children, you can do in your vacation time, like you can visit a planetarium. While after visiting, when you visit over there, you can make a note down what you all have seen in the planetarium, the post office, the bus station, mall, hills, sea coast, small scale industries or any factories. You can go and check, etc. You can study this place and collect the information. Okay, now go to the next paragraph. Next page. Geography Museum. Earth is the largest operational globe in the world. It is housed at Yarmouth in the state of Maine in the United States of America. The rotation and revolution speed of this globe is maintained as per that of the Earth. Now just see the Earth. This is the Earth. This is the Earth. Now Earth is the world's largest rotating and revolving globe. This is located within the headquarters of Delorme Maving Corporation in Yarmouth, Maine in the United States of America. Now this globe, the weight is approximately 5,600 pounds. Means kg में कितना होगा 2,500 kg and it has a diameter of over 41 feet. Okay, so this is the good knowledge for you all about the Earth. So student, now you have completed this lesson. I hope you all understood this. Thank you and take care.